Leave it. Leave it. Blow it air small. Blow the air. Blow. Remove it. Look at it. Look at what you changed in the microscope. No. Now, looking at the microscope, you see that the legs are very okay. But the poles, these things now, these are the legs where this thing is standing. Yeah, I call it the poles. They are like the pillars. They are pinned to the board. This is the main the subboard. So now, these things now, if they are not strong, this charging port will not be strong. You understand? So you have to put more legs. Use your legs and put it here. Add it. Add that there. Add it well. Look at it well. Add it. The tweezer is, you are carrying the tweezer too far. Use the mouth, use the tip of the mouth. The tip of the soldering iron, the head, that small mouth, the smaller mouth. Look at this, yes. The mouth, the small mouth. Yes, the small mouth. Yes. You are not touching well. Use the small mouth. Yeah, that one is fine. Go to the second one. The mouth. Don't do like that. Do this side. The mouth. Yeah, the mouth. I'm trying. Oh yeah. The mouth. This one. This other leg. Not strong. Now, this is one part. As you have done it like this now, if you leave it like this, it's not still very, very strong. The leg are not strong. This side, this inside here, this is where charging port used to have issue from. It will tear from here. So now you have to put small legs in between that place to solder this place, the two of them. That's why our own charging port are different. Yes, leave it. You are trying, but your hand is not smooth enough. Now leave it. Clean your soldering iron. Clean it. Now put it there. Put your this in there. Leave that one. That one is good. What you now do is you now put the soldering paste. Soldering paste. You paste it a bit. Paste the soldering. Sorry, I'm looking at that thing. Small. Then now, after you put the soldering paste, this thing is called soldering paste. This is soda paste. The soda paste. That's the first thing you will put. After the soda paste, then you now use the flux. Either this or this. They are all flux. Soldering flux. Look at it. Put it small. That one is even too much. There about. Now clean it now. Clean the mouth now. Hold it. Hold it like this. Hold it with your hand. Now clean it. Be careful with the soldering. Your soldering iron, you are holding it wrong. Soldering iron flat. Squeeze it fast. Squeeze it there. It's not touching it. Do the mouth fast. Do it to the charging port. Those legs. It's not touching it. Do it well. You're not getting that thing well. Give me. Let me show you.
You have kicked out the soldering this thing that you put there. You have to press it, do it like this. It's in between it, you have kicked it out. The soldering this thing that you put there, you have kicked it out. But it's still very small. See how the thing is changing color. See how the thing is changing. Like this now. All this thing you're doing, you need the charging block to last. Then you put your plugging head here. After that, you use your brush. Yes. See that it's fine.
If you use it like this now, if you use it like this now on the phone, this one you just try. Well done. But next one you will do it better than this. If you do it like this now, as it is like this now, the charging port will not spoil that easily. But the way you did it now, you did not do it so well. The next one you will do it better than that one. No problem. You try. Well done.